Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I have a really quick, simple craft. You guys, this is easy to do. You can also sell this in your shop. And if you have a button machine, that makes this even easier. You don't need a button machine, but a button machine just, makes it nice. And that is these little elastic hair ties. This is one set that I did. This is Shimmer and Shine. It is so cute, super cute. Look at that. My kids loved it. I also did Dr. Seuss. You guys can get creative with this, especially if you have, like I said, the button machine, Peppa Pig, Trolls. My daughter loves Trolls, so I had to do Trolls. Um, Beauty and the Beast. And don't think you just have to stick to characters. Also, like if you are in school, you like classrooms, you can do it for like cheerleaders, Spirit Week, all types of things. Like the hair ties are great. And they can also double as bracelets, like for kids. So this was really quick, really simple. My girls love it. And as I said, you can sell this in your shop. Make that money, you guys. Make that money. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into pretty much how we make these, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be doing a Dr. Seuss set. And only thing that you will need is some elastic trim, or you can purchase these. I purchased a bag of them from Amazon. They're each 1 yard a piece if you don't want to, go to a craft store. So you are going to need a ruler because you're going to cut pretty much anywhere from 8 to 9 inches on each one of these to make your your elastic band. So I'm just going to cut 8.5, and then that's pretty much all you need. That is one hair tie, and I'm going to use the red for the labels, or should I say for these thing 1 and thing 2. And you guys, I made these with my button machine. Like I told you, please don't think a button machine only makes buttons. It is good for so many other crafts. You can also turn these into bows, which I'm also going to do. But these have the like the shoelace back, which is why you're able to put elastics on them. But if you use the flat backs, like I have this one, I'm going to turn this one into a bow. I'm going to use this as the centerpiece for the hair bow. And also, if you don't have elastics, but you want to make these like right now, you can also use just hair ties. So let me go ahead and cut right here. And these are really simple. And then pretty much all you're going to do is line up the 2 end pieces and tie that thing in a knot. And pretty much you're done. That's all it is. You're done. You know what? I forgot to put on the goddamn button. So no, I'm not done. And these are also good for like resale. People on Etsy sell these even plain. So don't think you need to have a bow on it to sell it, because you don't. I see people selling these on Etsy just with the plain hair tie, and they sell them in the packs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this in a knot again. Make sure you gotta pull fairly tight and then cut it to your liking. And then I'm gonna take a lighter and I'm just gonna burn the ends just a little bit. All right, there we go. And then that is pretty much your hair tie. That's what you got. And then I'm going to keep going and do this with the rest of them. And then as you can see here, I have it packaged up. All you need to do, well, I did this just with a piece of cardstock that I cut into, a rectangle. And then I took my hair tie and just opened it just a little bit, and just go ahead and put it on there and do the same. And then you can also stick labels on there if you want to. And then as you can see, you are pretty much good to go. That's all that you need. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Hey everybody, so I've been getting some requests to do custom items, but as you guys know, I no longer have a shop, so I do not sell items, but I do have some shops right here that are listed. These are people that are very talented. These people are very creative. You can find them on Etsy, Instagram, Facebook. And if you do not see something on their shop, you can always request custom items. We're going to take a look at this shop right here. There's all types of stuff. As you can see, there is a huge variety and things to choose from. Like I said, feel free to message these people and ask for custom items. You can find different things on each and every one of these, one of these pages. They have great reviews. I highly recommend them. Even if you just go in and take a look, save their shops, add these things to your favorite. Look at this stuff. Just like very creative stuff here. Go ahead, send these people a message. You guys, they got you. They're here. They are here. Yeah. So let's keep looking. Let's see what else we got. Look at this stuff, you guys. This stuff is awesome. This stuff is very, very creative. Look at this. Another shop. Y'all, half of this stuff I wish I could do. Like the food stuff, girl, you got it. I cannot do no food stuff for nothing. And then, like I said, Facebook as well. Be sure to check out all of these places. Add them to your favorites. Like them. Spread the word about them. If you need custom items, feel free to message them. Like I said, they will work with you to pretty much get the item that you need. So, yeah. So I just wanted to get that out there to, support these shops, support each other. And I will see you guys very soon.